Dear students, welcome back to myclass.com. Our topic, INFIX to POSTFIX Conversion. It is coming under stack application. We are using stat data structure to convert an INFIX arithmetic expression to POSTFIX expression. So let's start. This is the algorithm for INFIX to POSTFIX conversion. The algorithm contains lots of explanations, but it is very easy when we are explaining this is with an example. First, I am just reading this algorithm. So listen. First step is, if the scanned character is an operand, put it into the postfix expression. When we are scanned from left to right, if it is an operand, we are pushing that into postfix expression. One more thing is, we are using a stack, operator stack. We are pushing and popping operators to and from the stack. If the scanned character is an operator and operator stack is empty, then no problem. Push operator into operator stack. Step 3 is little bit confusing but easy. If the operator stack is not empty, our scanned character is an operator, and when we are looking to the operator stack, it is not empty also, then there is some possibilities. We are considering that possibilities and doing push or pop operation. 5 conditions are there. If the precedence of scanned operator, we are scanning one operator from the INFIX expression, that operator is greater than the topmost operator of the operator stack, push that operator into the operator stack. If it is greater than, our scanned operator is greater than, push into the stack. If the scanned operator is less than the topmost operator's precedence when we are considering, then pop the operators from the operator stack until we find a low precedence operator than the scanned character. Now only just focused on this concept. Okay. If the precedence of the scanned operator is equal, then check the associativity of that operator. If the associativity is left to right, then pop that operator from the stack until we find a low precedence operator. If the associativity is right to left, then simply put into the stack. The last thing is, if the scanned character is an opening round bracket like this, push it into the operator stack. If the scanned character is closing round bracket like this, pop out operators from operator stack until we find an opening bracket. Repeat 1, 2, 3 till expression has character. After all scanning of all the characters, step 4 is now pop out. Maybe some operators are remaining in the stack. Now pop out all the remaining operators from the operator stack and push into the postfix expression. Exit. That is the algorithm steps. Just read one time and we are going to explain the concept with an example. INFIX expression. Our INFIX expression is A plus opening bracket B star C plus D closing the bracket divided by E. We are scanning from left to right. Okay. So first we are considering A. A is an operand. We are just adding this into the postfix expression. Clear? Plus is the operator and we are pushing that operator into the stack without considering anything because stack is empty this case. Okay. Now we are scanning opening bracket. So opening bracket, when we are scanning opening bracket, we are just push that opening bracket into the stack, operator stack. So now the postfix expression is still contains A itself, A only. Now we are scanning an operand B. If the scanned character is an operand, we are pushing that into our postfix expression. Now the postfix expression contains A, B. Stack contains plus an opening bracket. It is star multiplication. If a scanned character is an operator, the stack topmost element contains the operator, then we are checking lots of condition. If it is not an operator, no need to worry. We are pushing that operator into the stack. Now the postfix expression is AB. Now our scanned character is C, adding C into the postfix expression. Now another operator came plus. When we are scanning the plus, our stack is like this, plus opening bracket stack. If the topmost element of the stack is an operator, then we want to compare the precedence of that two operator. Our scanned character is an operator and our topmost element is also an operator. We want to check the precedence. Okay, if the topmost elements has the higher precedence, then we can't put plus into this position because this has the higher precedence and this is the lower precedence. It is not a fair thing that a lower precedence operator is lying above the higher precedence operator. It is not possible. So we are popping the star into the postfix expression. Then we are adding addition to this stack. This operation will continue until we are reached the topmost element as lower precedence operator. So after popping the star, the opening bracket came. So at that time we are pushing this addition into the stack. Okay, plus operator has less precedence than star, so pop star and add to the expression string. Now the D came, it is an operand, so we are adding this into the postfix expression. Now a closing bracket came. When a closing bracket encountered, we are popping all the operators until we reaches a opening bracket. So this is a closing bracket, so we are popping all the operators until an opening bracket. So we are popping this addition to the postfix expression and we are ignoring this bracket. So now the stack only contains the plus. We are reached the division operator. The division operator has the highest precedence than plus. It is okay to lie above a lower precedence operator. Division has the highest precedence and the topmost elements contain a lower precedence operator. Then it is okay to push into the stack. So we are pushing division into this. Our E came. E is an operand, so we are adding E into the postfix expression. Now we have reached the end of the infix expression. So after that we are checking is the stack contains another element or not. Yes, stack contains two more operators. So we are popping all the operator from the stack. We are popping first division and adding into the postfix expression. Then we are popping addition and adding into the postfix expression. So this is the equivalent postfix expression for our infix expression. Okay, hope it is clear now.